Hi, welcome to our channel. In this short video, we want to show you many new and modern living dining room open plan concept ideas. A popular open layout concept that is practical, functional, and aesthetic, fit for any modern home interior. We hope you will enjoy these beautiful images and get inspiration for your own home decor.
It's like the world turned its back on us, and now we can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving for 2D different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. We went down the wishing well. You set the fire and tone to your promised land. You got a whole religion in the palm of your hand. It's like the world turned its back on us, and now we can't tell if it's heaven or hell.
Here it is a superb home interior in white, blue and light brown color palette with grey laminate flooring.
It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving for two.
Bright and airy design furnished with lightweight furniture.
Different colors that we had to
Large and elegant open plan with wood-burning fireplace and wide and large windows.
to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing.
Small and beautiful design idea. Notice the unique wall art that makes such a great visual impact.
Well, all the lovers, we were diving for 2D different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could.
Fabulous design idea in grey, soft blue and royal blue color combination for a quite large open plan layout.
Break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. I got you buried deep in the back of my head, 'cause you got all.
Elegant open plan layout in light brown and green color palette. Magnificent open plan design with gorgeous accent wall.
If you want it better,
Elegant home interior with wallpapered walls and tile flooring.
all the lovers, we were diving for 2D different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers,
Modern and elegant open plan layout.
hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the.
Brand new condominium with open plan layout.
It's like the world turned its back on us, and now we can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like
If you continue to watch our video, you will discover many other creative design and decorating ideas for modern open space concept that brings together living and dining area. Check out this amazing designer solution for a living dining combination.
knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were diving for two deep, different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well. You set the fire and told to promised land. You got a whole religion in the palm of your hand. It's like the world turned its back on us, and now we can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers.
Like in this large, bright and spacious interior with elegant living, a stylish dining area and a large opening toward a modern patio. The same home interior seen from another angle.
Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers, we were
Simple and low budget design with a charming look.
diving for two deep, different colors that we had to put to sleep. All
Compact living space with an elegant look.
the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
Modern and elegant open space in beige color palette with burgundy color accent. Modern open plan with a glamorous look.
We were diving for two deep, different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers.
Bright home interior, spacious living area and rectangular dining table with stuffed white chairs.
Hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down
Brand new apartment with open plan layout.
the wishing well. I got you
Small and cozy living area, glass top dining table and white chairs.
buried deep in the back of my head, 'cause you got all
Small apartment with open plan layout.
the answers on the tip of my tongue.
Medium-sized living dining combination with an exquisite look.
You got a whole religion in the palm of my hand.
Scandinavian-inspired apartment design with modern open plan concept.
If you want it better, all the lovers, we were diving for two deep, different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers, hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
We saw it little by little. What about common sense? And It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell. All the lovers we were diving for too deep.